What's up all, welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. In today's video I'm just going to be doing a small DIY on how I did make that storage for the bottle, as I've shown you during the beginning of the video. And this is the process. This is a start to finish process on how to make that storage for your water, or for your bottle of water. Yeah, anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. I really do appreciate that. And if this is your first time clicking on our video, feel much welcome to our channel. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that we always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. So this storage is for the normal bottles of water, that is 20 liters. Yeah, the ones that we normally do refill, they are 20 liters. So, and I'm going to be giving you the measurements on everything that I did here, and the materials and the tools you will see as the videos goes by. So these pieces of wood that I'm cutting on circles, these are three-quarter pieces of MDF boards, and the one that I'm going to be making a fluted panel, it's 9 millimeters. So those are the measurements first of these pieces of wood that I'm going to be using during the whole DIY. The two circles that I already cut have a diameter of 15 inches. That is, if you want to know the measurements, these two circles, they have 15 inches around the diameter. And then this 9 millimeters piece of MDF board, it's a 9 millimeters. You can either use a CNC machine to cut these flutes, or you can use a router machine to cut these flutes, so that it can carve around the pieces, these round pieces, so for the design. And I'll be using 1-inch nails for this DIY. These ones I'm going to be using to attach this flute around the two circles. Anyway, most of the things are just illustrated in the video, so kindly watch the video till the end so that you can fully understand all the steps and all materials and tools that I've used during the process. Don't forget to like the video, comment on it and share with your friends and family.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Pas de soleil,
And after I've completed wrapping this flute around the two circles, now what I need to do is make an opening there where you can pass through your bottle, and the diameter for this part here was 13, or you can put 13 half, but 13 is good. So I'm just marking out the round circle where you can pass your bottle through, and I'm going to be cutting out that part there, and I'll be using that drill to make that hole, and then I can now use my jigsaw to cut out that circle that I've already marked. So that is what I did during this process. And then the other thing that I'm going to be doing in the video is making the top part of the this storage, and the diameter for that storage should be around 16, because I told you these two circles were 15 inches in diameter, so plus this 9mm all around will increase the diameter, hence I'm going to be cutting 16 inches for the top or the lid for this storage. But you are going to be seeing what I'm going to be doing in this part, so keep watching the video so that you can fully understand everything that I did. Finally, I'll be using this NC primer. This is green color to paint the storage or the bottle storage, and because this is dark gray or it's a bit darker, I'm going to be mixing this gray with white paint so that I can come up with a lighter gray for this storage. So you can just mix the paints there. Then, because these paints usually come as already thick, we normally mix it with thinner, and I'll be using a standard thinner to mix it, and then mix everything well and start painting the storage, as you can see on the screen. So now, after finishing doing the paint work, I'll leave it to dry up, and then I will show you, or I will demonstrate to you in the final reveal how you are going to be using now this storage. Anyway, if you have watched this video till this far, don't forget to like the video, comment on it, share with your friends and family, tell me something about it, and I will see you in my next videos. Enjoy the video.